All right, exciting news. I've got the expansion, the wiring on the Illinois Central Gulf main line completed, the old Alton Route. All the sidings still need to be wired. The Conrail joint trackage needs to be wired as well, but I do have the main line up and running. I'm running the first train, an Amtrak Cotto train. I just got these cars, so we'll go ahead and see how they perform. I don't know how it's going to do, honestly, so let's go and see. We're in Granite City right now. We're following the train. We're at Wood River. Refinery is right here. We're crossing Lenox Tower. Outskirts of Wood River. Juan Yard. Now we're here in Alton, Illinois. Now we're in Carlinville, Illinois. Now we're coming here into Springfield, Illinois. Now we're at McLean, Illinois. And here we are in Bloomington. So the train ran great. I'm very excited. There's still a lot more work to do as far as wiring is concerned, as well as all the scenery, lots of things to do, lots of structures to build. But thank you for coming by, watching, and seeing this project unfold. Have a wonderful day.